high-precision, high-speed electronic detector for weight control, used for pharmaceutical, cosmetic and medical products packed in cartons. Testing speed 50 to 160 packages per minute. Area 1 gram. Weight control from 5 grams to 1,000 grams. We use a weighing station made in Germany. Full service installation, training, launching, repair, simple mechanical design. Instructions for use in English and Russian. The skills are up to the DMPI standard. We provide detailed instructions for setting up this model of the weighing machine. Prior to shipment, the weighing machines are checked and tested at the manufacturing facility. Complete and working orders guaranteed. Experienced specialists Minipress company will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru, one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp at +7 985 364 38 08. You can also send a request to email info.minipress.ru. We maintain a stock of parts and consumables. The price is inclusive of customs fees in Russia and delivery to the buyer's city. Electronic conveyor package weight detector DK-05. High precision scales HBM production Germany. Materials stainless steel SUS 304. Weight control range 5 至 1,000 grams. Minimum scale 0.1 grams. Inspection speed 60 to 150 packages per minute. Weighing accuracy ±1 gram. Dimensions of weighing area: length 400 mm, width 250 mm, conveyor height from floor 750 ±50 mm, conveyor belt speed 60 to 80 meters per minute. Belt direction left to right. Pneumatic pusher discharge. Power supply 220 volts, 200 watts, 50 Hz. Weight 120 kilograms. Weight with packaging 150 kilograms.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.